Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I got this Duckbill for my 2022 BRZ. Here's the quick install. First, we got the 70% alcohol. We got the primary adhesive promoters that it came with. Cheap 3M tape. I'm going to swap it out with my good 3M brand right here. First, I'm going to tape up the sides to get the fitment all centered. Spray down the product right under. Wipe it clean with a rag. Now I'm going to apply the 3M tape all around. This is a 1/4 inch 3M tape. Now I got the 1 inch 3M tape, and I'm just going to put this all around. I want this layer kind of thick like this. Now we're going to spray down the surface on the car. Wipe it off. Clean. Dry rag. Wipe it again. Now we're going to try the promoter that they gave us. Peel the 3M tape. Just keep peeling it all off. Next, I'm going to take this heat gun and just preheat all around. I like to preheat a lot of my adhesive just so it gets more sticky and it will just really stick on to the car. Now, give it a little pressure. Set of hands will help. Keep doing pressure. Sometimes you got to clamp it down. But it seems to be holding very good. Yep, pretty sturdy. Check it out, guys. It's not going anywhere. Gonna peel this leftover tape, and yeah, here it is. Quick carbon fiber duckbill install on my 2022 BRZ. Thanks for watching.